Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Authorize. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix TikTok unable to authorize please try again later error on your iPhone. Well, this kind of glitch can happen for a few reasons, so we're going to see how to solve it. The first thing that you might want to do is try to see if your TikTok is up to date or not, for which you can simply just open your App Store. And in App Store, you can tap on search bar and then start typing TikTok. And then tap on search and then search for TikTok. Here you will be able to see the TikTok option right here. Tap on it. And here you can see currently there is the update option. You can simply just tap on update and update your TikTok like that. Here you can see now the update process has begun, and now let TikTok get updated. So even after updating your TikTok, it's still not working. The next thing that you might want to do is offload your TikTok app, for which you can go to your settings. And in settings, you have to tap on general. After tapping on general, you have to now tap on iPhone storage. And in here, you will be now able to see all of the apps that is currently on your phone. You can scroll down and here you can see TikTok option. You can tap on it and then tap on offload app. After you have tapped on offload app, you have to come back and again tap on unload. So after doing this, it might fix your problem. If it's still not fixed, the next thing that you might want to check is if your software is up to date or not, for which you can again go to your settings, and in settings again tap on general, and in general here tap on software update. And in here you can see it says iOS is up to date because my iPhone is up to date. If it's not, you have to now try to update your iOS. So if it still does not work, the next thing that you might want to try is set your date and time in automatic, for which you can again go to your settings, and in settings again tap on general. And in general, now you have to scroll down and you see the option of date and time. You can tap on it. And in here, you can see my set automatically is currently turned on. So you have to make sure that set automatically is also turned on your iPhone. If it's not, you can simply just tap on this toggle button and turn it on just like this. So after you have checked date and time, the next thing that you want to make sure is you are not using any kind of VPN, for which you can go to your general settings again. And in here, now scroll down until you see the option of VPN and device management. Tap on it. And in here, you can see currently VPN is not connected. If it is connected, you have to disconnect your VPN. So after doing all of that, it still does not work. The last thing that you might want to do is reset all of your network settings, for which you can simply just go on your settings. And on settings, again, you have to tap on general. And in general, you have to now scroll all the way down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And in here now tap on reset. After doing so, you have to now tap on reset network settings. Now your phone's passcode will be required. After entering your phone's passcode, you can see there is the last option of reset network settings. After tapping on it, all of your network settings will be resetted, and then it might fix the TikTok unable to authorize try again on your iPhone. Remember, this won't affect any of your data, but it will reset all of your network settings, so you might want to re-enter your Wi-Fi password or other settings. And that is it. These are some few processes that you could try. If it still does not work, you might want to contact your TikTok support. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.